try it out. Welcome back, guys, to the channel. So we got a new car on the channel, and this thing is pretty sick. It's beginner friendly, two-wheel drive, not too expensive. It's the FMS First Blood Monster Truck. So it's two-wheel drive. It comes with a 550 brush motor. Really nice for beginners. Runs on a 2S battery. 3S is not recommended on this thing. You can see the tires, they don't have foam in it, so I'm assuming it's going to get a little bit better grip. It does come with little plastic lights that you could attach to the bar. It also comes with a wheelie bar, which I did not put it, but it has an adjustable wheelie bar. Very nice looking body. The body looks very detailed. So they have different bodies. They have the First Blood, there's a high roller, and just a black one. We got the First Blood. Nice thing they included these little guys so you don't lose the clips. So the car does come with this battery. It's pretty thin. It's a 2S 3300 milliamp battery. Very sleek design. As you can see, the motor's mounted right here. You have the speed control. Looks like it's a very easy truck to work on. Like I said, it's really great for beginners. So let's power it up. We're good to go. Also, guys, don't forget to subscribe down below to see more videos like this, and I'll include a link down below where you guys could pick this one up. There we go, first run. Pretty quick. See if we could pop a wheelie. Oh yeah. Pretty quick. I think it goes like 20 miles an hour. Yeah, nice little jumper. Yeah, I'm gonna give it to one of my daughters to try it out. Just try it out. It's kind of like your other RC car. That was nice. Oh, that was so cool. So far, guys, this thing is pretty awesome. The kids love it. It's, like I said, it's pretty good for beginners. If you're getting into RC, it's nice that it is 1/10 scale, so it's pretty big. And just a great truck overall. I mean, I kind of want to convert it to 3S, but even with this power, this thing's pretty good. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Subscribe down below, and again, if you guys want this truck, I'll have a link down below where you can get it.